Hey there, audio enthusiasts! Are you ready to amp up your car's sound system? In today's video, we're diving into the world of car audio and revealing the best battery terminals you need for unbeatable performance. Whether you're a weekend warrior hitting the road or a full-on audiophile, proper battery terminals are crucial for maximizing your sound experience. Stay tuned as we explore top picks, expert tips, and how the right choice can transform your ride into a concert on wheels. Number 5. Tonda battery terminals, the perfect choice for anyone looking to enhance their car audio system. With versatile gauge compatibility, these connectors accommodate 0/4 gauge and 8/10 gauge wires, making them suitable for a variety of vehicles. Crafted from a high-quality zinc alloy and copper, they ensure enhanced conductivity and exceptional corrosion resistance, minimizing current transmission loss for optimal performance. Installation is a breeze, thanks to the strong screws that create reliable, long-lasting connections. Plus, the adjustable copper spacers provide flexibility for tapered posts, ensuring secure fitment. It's important to note that these connectors are designed for standard top post tapered terminals, not JIS pencil posts. Elevate your car audio experience with the Tonda battery terminals, your go-to choice for superior performance and durability. Number 4. Vgate lead-acid battery terminal clamps, the ultimate solution for your battery connection needs. Designed with precision, these clamps feature Vgate's innovative 12-way connectors, accommodating wire gauges from 8 AWG up to 4/0 XL AWG. Crafted from high-quality 6061 aluminum, these terminals boast exceptional toughness and corrosion resistance, ensuring a durable connection for various applications, including cars, caravans, RVs, and solar power banks. With versatility and voltage compatibility, 6V to 48V, they are perfect for both everyday vehicles and specialized machinery. The tapered post type fits SAE, DAN, and EN standards, while installation is a breeze thanks to the user-friendly design. Just remember, if you're working with lithium batteries, you may need an additional adapter. The Vgate battery terminal clamps are not just reliable, they're truly the best choice for enhancing car audio systems, providing conductivity and stability where it matters most. Number 3. SUNMORN battery terminal connectors are the ultimate solution for those seeking reliability and performance in their automotive or marine setups. Engineered for superior connectivity, these heavy-duty connectors ensure seamless electrical contact, maximizing current flow with minimal resistance. Built to withstand harsh environments, they resist corrosion and extreme temperatures, guaranteeing long-lasting durability. Installation is effortless with a user-friendly clamping mechanism, making it accessible even for beginners. The versatile compatibility allows these connectors to work seamlessly with various battery types, perfect for cars, trucks, motorcycles, and boats. Safety is paramount, as these connectors include insulation and secure connections to guard against electrical hazards. Ideal for the best battery terminals for car audio, the SUNMORN battery terminal connectors provide peace of mind and unmatched performance for your power needs. Number 2. Kaas lead-acid battery terminal clamps are your go-to solution for enhancing your vehicle's electrical system. This unbeatable positive and negative set is designed for SAE, DAN, and EN tapered top posts, accommodating cables ranging from 8 AWG to 4/0 AWG. Equipped with versatile 4-way connectors and 2 OEM top post adapters, installation is a breeze without the need for cutting OEM clamps. The easy-to-tighten head design prevents loosening while maximizing reliability during operation. Made from durable heat-treated 6061 T6 aluminum alloy, these clamps feature color anodization for corrosion resistance and optimized electrical performance through precision machining. The unique conductive zone enhances connectivity, creating a seamless power transfer. perfect for a range of vehicles, including cars, pickups, RVs, and buses. The Kaas battery terminal clamps are among the best battery terminals for car audio. Upgrade your ride's performance with these robust and versatile connectors today. Number 1. Mly Magnolia Car Battery Terminal Connectors. Crafted from high-quality brass and steel, these connectors boast exceptional corrosion resistance and outstanding electrical conductivity, ensuring minimal voltage distortion and transmission loss. Featuring a 4-way design, they allow for multiple cable connections, making wiring modifications a breeze. Easily identifiable positive and negative labels help you connect correctly every time, compatible not just with cars but also with vans, trucks, and more. With the included hex wrench and terminal cleaning brush, installation and maintenance are effortless. Each package delivers everything you need: 2 battery terminal connectors, insulation sleeves, cleaning brushes, anti-corrosion washers, and a handy wrench. These are truly the best battery terminals for car audio enthusiasts. Enjoy reliable performance and peace of mind with Mly Magnolia connectors. In conclusion, choosing the best battery terminals for your car audio system can significantly enhance performance and ensure a reliable connection. From copper to gold-plated options, each choice has its unique benefits that cater to different needs. We hope this guide has helped you make an informed decision on the right terminals for your setup. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more great content.